Showings start at Open House Thur 10:24 to 6 p.m. Well-maintained 3-bedroom ranch with large fenced yard on Madison's north side. Just a short walk from Lake Mendota wooded trails, Troy Gardens, Governor Nelson's Peninsula, Warner Park and the Mallards Field. Gleaming hardwood flooring, neutral painted interior, coupled with open layout and plenty of natural light make for a sunny and bright home. Dine-in kitchen flows nicely into large living room. All 3 bedrooms, and 1.5 baths with solar tubes, are on main level. Lower has large finished family room with double closets, plus lots of additional storage/workspace. Huge deck provides ample entertaining and outdoor cooking area, and overlooks the nicely landscaped yard with mature shade trees. Easy access to Waunakee, Middleton, Sun Prairie,